Now, what about this idea that we could impeach the justices who had spoken about Roe as settled law?
I want to answer you like I was doing my Twittering yesterday because I get most of my information watching this Twitter back and forth, and everyone's a constitutional scholar when you read Twitter.
Right.
But what I've learned is, do you remember when Trump was being impeached?
Yes.
It's the same concept, Elizabeth. It's the same concept. You can't impeach unless you get 2/3 of the Senate. And did you know there's never been a Supreme Court justice who was removed from office? In fact, 1805 was the only justice that was ever impeached by the House, and he wasn't removed. So it's fantasy land, even if you're going to listen to Senator Collins that she was lied to,
Right.
that any justice is getting impeached.
Now, when you take a look and you actually read what's in there, when you read what Justice Clarence Thomas wrote, that the court could, I guess, question the constitutionality of gay marriage or contraception. Is that a possibility? Did he really open the door on this, or is there a fear going forward that those things will be coming back up again?
100%. And you're talking back about that abortion case again. That's called Dobbs. And Justice Thomas wrote a concurring opinion. And what that means is, even though he's part of the majority of the court that ruled, he wanted to have his own thoughts heard. And so what he wanted to say is, hey, this due process, this substantive due process law in the Fifth Amendment, the 14th Amendment, all these rights, there's 9 rights that are called unenumerated rights he spoke about. They're all, he said, they don't belong there. Now, he did make a point, Elizabeth, and this is very important to say. He said, maybe they're somewhere else in the Constitution. I'm not saying you don't have those rights. I'm just saying you don't have them from that part of the Constitution. So that will probably be before the court into the future.